what made you interested in the 6-week intensive? What was going on in your life at the time that maybe made that feel like it would be helpful for you?
Hi, everyone. So before the 6 weeks intensive, like I am 50 years old, 51 years old, and I've struggled with my weight my whole life. And I've had some yo-yo dieting experience. I think that's many people have.
Mm-hmm.
And I've come to learn I've come to understand and really been working on the mental aspect of it over the last few years. I would say, especially post-pandemic was my most recent weight regain. And just understanding that it's like the mental aspect of it is the part that matters the most, honestly.
Mm-hmm.
Because otherwise it hasn't been sustainable for me. So understanding, for me at least, the mental aspect was the part that mattered the most. And then hearing on the podcast, I had seen some of your videos of the Thinking Leads to Eating series.
Mm-hmm.
And then hearing on the podcast that you were doing specifically a 6-week course on the mind aspect of it was immediately like, yeah, I need to check that out.